Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. Today I'm going to be giving away these Garnier products. They are curl products. This one is a Curl Renew Reactivating Milk Spray for naturally curly hair. And then this one is a Curl Scrunch Controlling Gel. This one has a 3 stronghold with shea butter, and this one has coconut oil in it. So these are the 2 things that you would win, and of course there's only going to be 1 winner. So to enter the giveaway, it's really quite simple. The first thing that you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So go ahead and scroll down, pause the video, click that big red subscribe button. It's somewhere over here. It's probably over here. I don't know. Click the subscribe button. Next, keep scrolling, go on down to the description box and fill out the Google form. And that is it. Subscribe, fill out the Google form. Very easy. The giveaway is going to run for 1 week. There's going to be 1 winner, and I will contact the winner via email. So if you are the winner, then I will give you 48 hours to respond before I pick somebody else. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe, fill out the Google form. That's it. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.